government has revised small savings schemes rate and also slashed PPF rates marginally in what is a clear signal from New Delhi on where it thinks rates should be in the system. However, it's also kept the one-year deposit and post office savings deposit rate unchanged. Mrinalini Krishna joins in with more details on these decisions. Mrinalini?
Well, what we are picking up from sources that the government is deciding to effect a 0.1% cut in interest rates across most small savings schemes, and this is being done in order to bring them in line with the drop in interest rates as far as government securities are concerned. Now, what we have been given to understand that PPF will now fetch returns about 8.7% per annum rather than 8.8% that it gave last year. 5-year national savings certificate will give about 8.5% return versus the 8.6% that they gave last year, and 10-year national savings certificate will return about 8.8% versus 8.9% last year. Post office recurring 5-year deposits will give about 8.3%. The only thing that has remained unchanged is the savings deposit rate, which will remain unchanged at 4%. So clearly the government is looking at bringing down these rates in line with the trend that they have seen in government securities. Of course, that would mean lesser returns for small investors, but there's little that the government can do because it can't take too much burden as far as a huge disparity between the government securities as well as the small savings rate. So it's gone ahead, tried to keep as attractive as return for small savings investors, but it has cut rates by about 10% across schemes, and these rates will be effective starting the 1st of April 2013.